right, so that was just my Hershey's milk chocolate bars. You can use dark chocolate, white chocolate, any kind you want. Next, we have some Skippy peanut butter. I went ahead and popped this in the microwave for about a minute, so it's melted. Ooh, look at this. I love peanut butter and chocolate. Oh, that is beautiful. Just drizzle that all over your chocolate, just like this. I almost used this whole thing of peanut butter, you guys. It's gonna be delicious. I bet you're wondering what I'm making right now. I'm gonna do something really cool. I'm gonna put this over to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring in 2 bowls. And look at what we have here, you guys. Red and blue sprinkles. Ooh, yes, this is gonna be 4th of July. Let's go ahead and get those little tops off. Perfect. And we're just going to, actually, I wanna use the whole thing. So I'm just gonna take those off as well. And we're just gonna pour these in, you guys. Oh, that is so aesthetically pleasing. I bet you're already knowing that I'm gonna do a 4th of July delicious and easy recipe for you guys today. Let's go ahead and bring in our cup of water. And we have some jumbo jet puff marshmallows. Ooh, I love marshmallows. If you see my other videos, you know I love marshmallows. Go ahead, take a toothpick. And so what you're gonna do is stick your toothpick into your marshmallow just like this. Dip it into your water to saturate that. Ooh, it's a little rainbow on that right now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and just roll this in my sprinkles. Woo, look at that. Okay, make sure you get all of your sides coated evenly. That side doesn't want to get it, but we're gonna make it. And then just do that. Perfect.
It's so fun.
Look at that, you guys. All right, now we're gonna take this over here and we're just going to place it in the corner, just like this. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show you how beautiful this is going to be. Just do another marshmallow into your water like so. Roll that baby into those blue sprinkles. Right now we're doing the blue and we'll do the red in just a second, you guys, because we are going to create a really pretty American flag design. Okay, that looks good to me. Just do that same process. This is going to be a s'mores dip, you guys. S'mores dip. That is what I am talking about. Ooh. Okay, we got a little blue on there. I think that's okay.
Let's see how it looks.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do the red now.
Oh,
Ooh,
so pretty.
Wow.
The red is my favorite.
I know, I love red. Okay.
Gorgeous.
Just put that right there, just like that. Perfect. Right in. Let's just squeeze that little red one right there. Perfect. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some white marshmallows, just plain regular marshmallows. Just stack them there like that so it can be our white stripes. Yeah. This is so creative, so fun, so inventive. Oh my goodness. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and bring in our last row of white marshmallows. Go ahead and just quickly stack them there in a line for our last white stripe. Anyone know the band, the White Stripes? I'm sure you guys have heard of them. That's what that just reminded me of. All right. Oh yeah, let's just squish them together a little bit so that they're close, nice and snug. They're close friends, okay? Oh my goodness, you guys. Let me just turn this so you guys can see our beautiful American flag design. Wow. All right, guys. You're just gonna go ahead and put this in the oven at 350 for just 10 minutes.
So quick.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this masterpiece that we have created today. Whew. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. All right, you gotta be fast. You want it to stay melty. Look at what we have here. Honey-made graham crackers, okay? It would not be s'mores without graham crackers, am I right?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and just take our little platter here, and we're just going to break these graham crackers up.
Oh,
just
wow.
like that. Just go with the little perforations quickly so that we can have this nice and melty. And if you're worried about it getting hard or anything like that, you can just put it on a warming plate. They make those, right?
Yeah.
All right, just take your little graham cracker, dip wherever you want. I'm just gonna, whoa. This is, I don't wanna burn myself, but this is exactly what I wanted, you guys. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's a big marshmallow. Let me blow on it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
It's messy. Oh my God.
Is it good?
So good!
Oh, yeah.
Make that for 4th of July. Make it.
God bless America.
Bless America.